How to set Facebook page cover photo. Now let's say you have this Facebook page that you want to add a cover photo or set a cover photo into. All you have to do is to switch to that specific Facebook page by tapping on main menu right here and tap on this arrow down right here and switch to your Facebook page. Once you're on your Facebook page, all you have to do is to go to your profile icon right here and tap on this add cover photo or tap on this camera icon right here. Now, the next thing to do is to tap on upload photo right here. And now you can choose from your gallery what cover photo you want to use. Let's say right here. Now, the next thing to do is to tap on save right here, and it will automatically be uploaded. So that's how to set Facebook page cover photo. Hope we helped.